Are we live? I think we are live. Hold on. Let me turn this on. Okay, there we go. All right. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. And this is another segment. See, I'm used to film something else today. Okay, this is another one of our Sunday live stock market chats where we're gonna come and talk about a few stocks that we see value in. Kane. So I hope everyone is doing well. What's up, 77 Rod? Nathaniel, what's up? Rajan, hola, beautiful, we missed you. Hello. Augustine, New Marie, Dayanta, okay, that's cute. Moneymaker BG, I know that's right. Okay, so this is gonna be something different right after this live. So as soon as this live ends, we're actually going to have our top 3 option plays premiering tonight. So instead of doing it tomorrow, I thought let's try to do it Sunday so you guys can kind of look at it, marinate on it, and see what you want to do going into the week. So we're going to have our top 3 option plays premiering right after this live, okay? So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I'm not going to keep you guys here that long. We're going to keep it cute, short. What's up, JV? Latashma, oh goodness, okay. Ian, Miami vibe, realtor, that's cute. Donnie, Travis, Chris, what's up? D Saint, Cecil, Jessica, Tesla earnings. Oh, do they already have it or is it coming up this week? Let's see. Hello, love the black, blue back. Thank you guys so much. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get into it. All right, so you guys already know what we're gonna do. This is gonna be TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim, and what I want you guys to do is just put it in the chat what stocks you want us to talk about. Put the ticker symbol. Let me know if you're trying to day trade it or swing trade it, and just let me know what's up. Just like somebody said today, or who was that? Ian, Tesla. They have earnings, so we'll see what's going up. Okay, North Carolina in the house, what's up? Coming up this week, okay. All right, so let's go ahead and that'll be our first one. So this is gonna be from Ian, and we're just gonna look at Tesla. Man, you guys are commenting so fast. All right, so let me change this over here. Hold on. Oh, snap. So I'm gonna try something new. I have 3 screens up today, so I'm gonna have this over here. And I hope it's showing up. Nope, it's not showing up. I have to press. Hold on. Is it? Yeah, it's showing up. Great. All right, bet. Excuse me. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up button for your girl. Tesla. All right. Okay, I already pinned it. Bet. Okay, so this is Tesla. So Tesla does have an earnings coming up. They have an earnings on the 26th. So, oh shoot, that's tomorrow. All right, bet. So they have an earnings report coming up. If you see right now, it looks like Tesla's kind of trading in between a zone. Not saying 100% it's in a downtrend, but it is trading neutrally. You see how close it is with the 50-day moving average. So just around this area right here. Oops, I was not trying to do all that. But yeah, just around that area right there. So let's see what happened in the last earnings. So yeah, after previous earnings, they had, I mean, even with the earnings beat, they were supposed to get 43 cents, but they had 93. The stock still dropped after that. So, I mean, we'll kind of see what happens moving with that. Even with the MACD indicator right here, it's moving kind of tight with that trade. So honestly, we'll kind of see with that. It looks like it's setting up to continue trading in between this zone. So whatever happens, I wouldn't see it going past 694 right now. What is it, 643? So we'll kind of see what happens with Tesla. And then also looking in a little bit closer with the MACD, we just had this crossover right here. So I don't know. We'll see. For that, it will kind of be a little bit more fundamental going into earnings. So we have to look and see what they have going on with the analytics and stuff like that. So, But thank you for that, Ian. Good question. All right. So let's go into the next one. What's up, Debbie? Dee. Hey, Peggy. What's up, Peggy? Peggy, I see you everywhere. I see you on YouTube. I see you on Instagram. I see you on Discord. I see you everywhere, girl. What's up, Sabrina? Thank you, Robert. Hit that like button, you guys. Yes, thank you. Hit that like button. All right, so let's go to the next one. It's SBUX from Sherry. All right. Change that right there. All right, so this is SBX. Guys, okay, wow. This is looking really cute. Okay, so first of all, Sherry, overall, this stock is giving me complete uptrend vibes. You know, it has been trading kind of close to the moving average, but for the most part, it seems like it's been trading very close or above it. So right now we did just have a really huge breakout. What was this sometime last week? And we went from about let's say 115 to 126 high. So going forward, you know, we'll just kind of have to see what happens with this. Is it going to continue with this momentum? Right now, it is looking a little bit overbought. So, you know, obviously we might expect for it to have a little bit of a sell-off, of a correction. Some people might cash in on some of those profits, and you might see, you know, a dip in that. But like I said, overall, it is giving uptrend vibes. So if you were holding on to this play, I wouldn't get out of it until you start to see a crossover with your MACD indicator. And this is on a 3-month chart. So if you're looking at something next week, we can move in a little bit closer. Oh, okay. Wow. So looking in a little bit closer, you know, I'm kind of seeing a little bit of a divergence here. And when I say divergence, it just kind of looks like our MACD is, you know, decreasing, having lower highs, while our stock price is increasing. So that could be an indication that we're going to see a slowdown of this uptrend, and it might, like I said, start to sell off. So we'll see with that same thing with the RSI indicator. So just keep an eye out on that. But right now it is continuing on this uptrend. It's been definitely going up since the 19th. So that's something to look forward to with that. Okay, so that was from Sherry. Thank you, Sherry. Okay. All right, this is gonna be from Shayna next, and I see some questions here that I'm gonna answer real quick, so hold on. Where is this? All right. What? Okay, CX. Okay, my bad. CX. Okay, you guys, make sure you click that thumbs up button for me too. All right. Somebody asked what brokerage do you use? Okay, D-Saint, the brokerage that I use is going to be TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim, so what we're trading in right now, and then also Webull for the most part. I do have one long option trade on Walmart and Robinhood. I can't trade in Robinhood until September. Got locked out, but that's okay. So for the most part, just say Webull. Okay, so this is from Shayna. Thank you, Shayna, and this is CMix. So, okay, let me see what you said. Steady uptrend for a year and has been consolidating since May. Yeah, okay, so you do see that it has had a pretty good overbought, oversold pattern, good uptrend, and then you kind of see a little bit of a sell-off, yeah, right around kind of May. So it looks like it kind of slowed down there. And, you know, we want to see, I don't know, I would want to see with this one, is it going to continue on that uptrend, or is that uptrend slowing down and are we moving into a downtrend? So we'll see with that. You know, we did see a good price move, or excuse me, a good move with our MACD indicator right here, but it's kind of falling down, going a little bit below the center line here. So we'll kind of see with that. And then we do have some lower highs with that. So it could be an indicator that we might be going to a bearish trend with this stock. It's trading kind of close to the moving average. So we'll kind of see with that. I don't know. It's really looking kind of neutral for this stock. So kind of have to see and do some more fundamentals with that. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, you're hella lit for actually helping me. Oh, thank you, Ian. Charge point, please. I need the ticker symbol. I'm around trying to get knowledge. LOL. Thank you, Peggy. Okay. I didn't know you had a Discord. I don't have a Discord. I do have a Discord, but it's not active yet. I'm just making sure I want it to be good for you guys and I want it to be beneficial. And I don't want to waste anybody's time, especially my own, honey. So I just want to make sure everything is doing good. All right, let's get into another one. Claude, this is NIO. So I don't know what you guys want. I mean, you're not really telling me you want to hold it for a while or what. So, I mean, I'm just kind of looking at the stock chart. Oops. So I want you guys to let me know why you want to look at the stocks. So are you trying to get in and get out? What is the catalyst? So, I mean, just looking at this stock right now, it looks like it's kind of looking like it's trading below, not really below, but it's getting kind of close to trading below the 50-day moving average. That kind of shows that the price movement is getting kind of tight. And then also with the MACD indicator, I just see a crossover that just happened recently. So I see a lot of recent bear activity. So just with this MACD indicator, we just had a crossover last week. RSI is kind of low. And if you'll see right here, even last week, the RSI is kind of oversold for a continuous amount of time. So that's just kind of, it's just kind of giving me bearish indication, so like a bear trend right now. So, I mean, we'll see what happens. Is it going to continue in this bear market, or, you know, could it turn around from that? So it does look like they're trying to have some support around $40. So it's at 43 right now. Can it bounce off of that support, or is it going to continue going downward? We'll look and see with that. What is this coming up? Also, they have an earnings coming up on the 3rd. So look at some fundamentals and see what are the analysts. Have analysts increased their earnings ratings, or have they decreased them over time? That's a good bullish or bearish indicator. So I don't know. We'll look and see with that one. NIO. What's up? What's up? Oh, okay. I'm gonna do Jacob next. Jacob Authentic. This is cute. CPHT. Okay. Thank you for that, Claude. All right. I'm gonna answer this question too. PT. Okay, this is from Jessica M. Do you have a video for the arrow indicators on the RSI? Oh, you know what? No, I don't. I think let me show you that right now. I'm gonna show you guys. I can show you that on live. Okay, so right here, this is in TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim, and on my RSI indicator. Let's just go into the settings, and let me see. Oh, okay, look. Look down here at the plots, your up signal, you'll see that there, and then down signal. So just make sure you have those turned on, and that's how you get that. Boom, right on live. So I didn't even have to make a video, honey. There you go, to answer it. Okay, so, oh, okay, CPHT. Boom, let's get into that. Oh, and we have a super chat. Who is this? Somebody sent a cute little super chat. This is from Daryl. Thank you, Daryl Barnes. Hello, gorgeous lady. What about NAOV? Okay, let's do that one next. So after we do CHP, we're gonna do NAOV. All right, so honey, this stock is giving me bearish market, honey, but that is completely fine. There's a lot that we can do with that. What is this, charge point? Okay, yeah, it's definitely giving me bear market, definitely trading below the moving average, or 50-day moving average, both trading below both of our EMA lines, and we just had a crossover with our MACD, so a bearish crossover, our MACD crossed below our signal. So this is definitely giving some bearish signals. So if you're going to do something with this, I might do maybe a put, or I would do a credit spread, or an iron condor or something like that. Anything that's going to profit from a bear market. There's always something that we can do in any market, as you'll see in the video that's going to upload right after this. Okay, so that was that one. Thank you so much for that. Okay, let's get into this. Is from this one from Daryl. This is NAOV. So what is that? Who is that? NAOV. What? Daryl. I don't even know about this. Oh, okay, we have another super chat. Thank you. $2 super chat from Cecil Constable. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm trying to look at this stock real quick, but I'm not getting too much. NAOV. Okay, let's zoom in. Oh, okay. So, I mean, for a while, it was literally trading for pennies, honey, and now all of a sudden, what was this, on the 23rd? Boom, it shot up. I don't know what to tell you. I don't trade penny stocks. I don't know. I don't know if this is a pump and dump. It hasn't been doing too much before, but now all of a sudden it just kind of pumps. So we'll see what happens. To be honest with you, if I would do anything, I don't even know if this has options. No, it doesn't have options. So, I mean, if anything, I would maybe do like some type of short or something, just looking at that, because it's going down, honey. But we'll see. So, yeah, I would just wait and see. If you were looking to do a long play, like a call or something on like this, I wouldn't get into anything long until this MACD crosses over. Same thing, you want to see price or movement with this RSI indicator, and then also the same thing with your price with the moving averages, your EMA lines here. So, whew. All right, so that's that on that. Let's get into this next one. Okay, another super chat. Thank you, Cecil, for TAL. So let's look and see on that. And then we have another super chat. Y'all are just sending the chats. The chats and the chats. So this is TAL. Ote. Navo has officially died. Thank you, Peggy, to your $10 super chat. Thank you, Peggy. Okay. So this is TAL. I like doing a closer chart too. I definitely, with the day trading, I definitely zoom in now. But this stock, I mean, it was looking like it was trading in between a zone, at least for last week, and then, you know, it just all of a sudden just dropped down to 5. I don't know what happened with that. I don't know why. Let's see, let's zoom out a little bit. That would definitely be more into the fundamental. Oh girl, this is giving downtrend. Has been in a downtrend for months. And then it looks like it's on its last leg, just like a, and it's about to go out, honey. I don't know, but this is giving me downtrend. I mean, look at it. Downtrend, okay? And that's just this little last leg. Okay, Robert English, how do you get the support and resistance line to automatically appear on your chart? Okay, I have a video about that. Don't exit off of this live just yet, but once we're finished, I have a video called Automatic Support and Resistance, so check that out. It's also in my Think or Swim playlist. So I have everything laid out for you guys. I make it so easy. Oh, my throat is a little dry, honey. I'm gonna get some of my alkaline water. Yes. Okay, you guys, I see 156 people in here, 68 likes. I need that fixed. So guys, make sure you click that thumbs up button for your girl. Okay. I don't got no super chat, but I can get a beat though. I don't know what you're talking about, sir. Thank you so much, Nathaniel, for your $5 super chat. Okay, let's get into our next one. 77 Rod is asking about SPY option. I mean, what option are you talking about? It's uptrending, but I mean, it looks like it could fall, so I would do a put if I was gonna do something. All right, so let's get into the next one. Cool. Thank you, Robert. Please don't write the same thing a bunch of times. I don't like that. That's gonna get you blocked. Stop that. 7-7 Rod. Okay, let's get into the next one. So when you guys say options, I need to know like a certain option that you want. You know, expiration dates. Give me some more information, please. Let's get into the next one. Cornelius, I just answered that question. What's up, Sarah? Apple would be good for options this week. Apple is good for options every week. That's definitely in my daily option trade list. Okay, so we've been on here for 20 minutes. I think I want to keep it around 30 minutes because I really want you guys to see this options play video coming up. So I want you guys to be ready and, you know, just open for that. So let's get into another one. This is going to be from Nathaniel VMC. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so one thing I see already that I know you guys are already looking at. Hello. Let me see. You see that? Boom. Boom. So what I like about that is you see we're having higher lows and lower highs. And that's kind of like a good breakout pattern. So it's kind of getting a little bit tight right in there, and then boom, it just gives room for breakout. I just downloaded this new app for this little mouse thing. So obviously you see I'm really I'm really enjoying this. And then also this is giving kind of like a flag pattern. So yes, honey, I mean, honestly, and then, okay, what is this we have coming up here? Okay, they have an earnings coming up too. That's a good signal, honey. Yes. Candlesticks are giving, you know, it's kind of giving neutral. The MACD indicator just had a crossover sometime last week, but it's kind of been trading a little tight right there. So we'll really just see. I need more volume, more push with this. But overall, we are uptrending. It's trading really tight with the moving average. So the 50-day moving average. So we really wanted to trade a little bit further above that. MACD is really tight. Previous earnings, you know, we've seen earnings beats, and you know, you'll see, what is this after this earning? Price went up. After this earning, the price kind of dropped a little bit, but overall the price has gone up. So if you're trying to go long on this, after this one, it kind of didn't do too much. But I mean, it really just depends. Overall, the stock is uptrending. So, oh, $100 a share. We'll see what the options are looking like. So if you got into an option, oh, these options are high too. If I was gonna get into an option contract on this, honestly, it would probably be some type of premium receiving play. I love to do a cute little credit spread, little iron condor or something like that. So figure it out. If you were gonna do a spread, oh, okay, what is this? If you were gonna do a put spread, you can probably have your sell down there. Or if you wanted to do a credit, you can have your sell somewhere right there. Or if you wanted to do an iron condor, keep it in between there. There's a lot of things that you can do. Oh, my throat is just, I feel like I'm talking a lot. Oh, dang, y'all really pressed that like button, huh? Wow, look at that, 100 likes, okay. But I still see 157 and 103 likes. So I want everybody to click the like button. Okay, so let's get into a couple of more, and then, oh, okay. Robert, you're getting specific. I like that. Let's do Robert next. We're short. Hit the like button. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna do this one next. This is from Robert, and he is being very specific. Yes. And you know, another thing I want you guys to notice, how is the stream going? Because I changed some of the settings, so I don't see it I don't see it dropping frames, so hopefully these settings are good. Who picked this? Robert, you picked this? Wow, this is cute. Okay. One thing I really like about this is the pattern. So, I mean, there's a lot of money that you can make with a stock like this. You see these big dips. What is this, from 84 all the way down to 50? If you were doing a put, you could have rolled that thing all the way down, honey, just like a little roller coaster. And then the same thing on the way up. Now, it's really, really, really giving uptrend. It's giving uptrend vibes. Just now, hold on, let me zoom in a little bit. And then also, I kind of want to draw a little trend line right here, because I don't know. That's kind of giving me a little bit of a a breakout, flag breakout, just like on the last stock that we looked at. Looking at the RSI though, it's getting a little bit high. So the RSI is about 69. This is kind of where it's peaked previously before. So, you know, we kind of want to see, is it going to peak right there? Is this about as high as it's going to get? To me, honestly, I would anticipate a short-term pullback with the price, but I wouldn't get into any type of move like that until you see a crossover with this MACD line here. So I want to see a crossover right here, and then you already see the RSI. I mean, she's already pretty much setting up. It can go either way. Or it could continue going upwards and hit this previous price. What is this, around $80? So we still might have $4, you know, $4 worth of growth there. So it really just depends. It's really kind of giving good signals here. It is trading above the EMA lines. So it could, you know, continue going upwards. It really is looking like it could continue going upwards. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Just the way it's setting itself up. So I don't know. Oh, snap. Okay, you said 7:30. What's today? The 25th? Oh, I don't know. That's kind of close. 7:30. 78 call. And it's kind of expensive too. Hold on. Oh, hell no. Robert, look at this. Look at how high that implied volatility is. No, sir. Okay, if I was going to do anything on that, that would be a move that's going to be receiving premium because of how high this implied volatility is. So if I was going to do anything, I would probably do, you can do an iron condor and just have your limits right there. Or honestly, if you think it's going to fall, you can do a call credit spread, have it close right there and just anticipate it falling. Or if you think it's going to go up, you know, do a put. But whatever you decide to do, I would definitely do something that's going to receive premium because of how high that implied volatility is. Okay, you guys, so we B Reed. Hey, good afternoon. I subscribe to your channel. What do you think about AMC and SBUX? I also listened to you for July options trades. Uber, I made money off that. Great. A lot of people ask me about AMC. I'm not really into the AMC stuff. I don't really keep up with that. I mean, people are talking about this squeeze and all this other stuff. I'm just going off of the chart. I mean, it's in a downtrend right now. So, I mean, if I was gonna do anything, I would do maybe a put play with that. You know, we just had a crossover with the MACD indicator right there. So there's that. RSI has been oversold for all of last week. So I don't know, just kind of see what happens with that. And what is this? They have an earnings coming up on the 5th. So we'll see what happens. I mean, are people going to the movies, or is this just market manipulation? I don't know. I'm kind of ignorant with that one. So that's fine. Okay. And hey, what's up, Jason? What's up? It blocked somebody's comment. I thought that was funny. Okay, this week. That would be a perfect world if there were a stop loss on options. I'll have to get back to you on that one. It's on Webull. What about Snap? Okay, let's get into, okay, Stefan, hey Queen, are you going to revisit US Steel for an option. You mentioned them having earnings coming up. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I got into the steel, the US Steel play. I mean, it tore me up. I definitely was on a loss for that one. So we'll see what happens with that one. It's really kind of giving downtrend right now. It's giving downtrend. So we'll just kind of see with that one. Even just kind of looking at the RSI, it's kind of set up to fall a little bit more. So that's a possibility with that. Earnings on the pin. Oh, yeah. All right, you guys. So I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up for tonight. And then, like I said, right after this video, we have our top 3 option plays this week showing, because I really didn't give you guys too much tonight. It was really just you guys' suggestions. So let me do that. All right. So yeah, if it doesn't play automatically, I'm going to do it for you. So don't worry, just stay tuned. And thank you guys so much for watching this live. I appreciate your love and your support. It means so, so much to me. We just hit 92,000 subscribers today. So, hey, 8 away from 100K. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. All right. Thank you, guys. Oh, no.